Dr. He's So Cheap was shopping one day. He wondered about the differences between the Target brand paper towel Up and Up and an expensive brand, Bounty.
Dr. He's So Cheap uses paper towels around his house for cleaning and scrubbing. He wanted to find out if the brand of paper towel affects the strength of the paper towel.
So he set up the following experiment. Dr. He's So Cheap decided to measure the strength of the paper towel using the number of pennies a paper towel would hold when it was wet.
In his experiment, number 1, he would stretch each paper towel between 2 tables. Then he would pour 10 milliliters of water onto each paper towel.
Then he would place a cup on the wet paper towels and add pennies until each of the paper towels breaks.
Take a moment to answer the following questions on your assessment. Number 1. Outline, describe, or explain the purpose of the experiment. Why do this experiment? How would knowing the answer to the question be helpful or important for people? Number 2. From the video, state, outline, describe, or explain the experimental question being tested or investigated.
Number 3. Name the independent and dependent variable or variables for the experiment. Be sure to describe how you will measure the dependent variable and include your unit of measurement. Number 4. Write your hypothesis for the experiment and explain your reasoning.
Outline, describe, or explain the steps of Dr. He's So Cheap's experiment with enough detail that another group could do the experiment in exactly the same way. Be sure to include how the results were measured and data was collected.
Dr. He's So Cheap then conducted his experiment. As you watch his experiment, collect, organize, transform, and or present the data you see in the experiment. One, two, three. $65, $66, $67, oops, $67 for Up and Up, $68, $69, $69 for Bounty. One, two, three. $36. $37. $58.
Answer the remaining questions on the assessment.